for ARE2000T series. Outstanding performance. The ARE2000T series is engineered to deliver outstanding, error-free dominant performance for your business. With its powerful hardware and intelligent design, this server ensures smooth and efficient operation even under heavy workloads. Efficiency and value. One of the key highlights of the ARE2000T series is its excellent efficiency and unmatched hardware value. Designed to optimize resource utilization and minimize energy consumption, this server offers exceptional performance per watt, helping you save on operating costs without compromising on performance. Specially designed for SMBs, the ARE2000T series is specifically tailored to meet the unique needs of small to medium scale businesses. Whether you're a growing startup or an established enterprise, this server provides the reliability, scalability, and performance you need to support your business operations and drive growth. Affordable after-sales service. At Aaron, we understand the importance of reliable after-sales service. That's why we offer affordable after-sales support to ensure that your server is always up and running smoothly. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with the assistance you need whenever you need it. With its outstanding performance, excellent efficiency, and affordable after-sales service, the Aaron Power Server ARE2000T series is the perfect choice for SMBs looking for a reliable, cost-effective server solution.
Aaron Power Server ARE2000T series delivers outstanding, error-free, dominant performance, especially designed for your small to medium-scale business SMB. Excellent efficiency with unmatched hardware, visual, and affordable after-sales services. Made in India.
Very well packed. Removing all unnecessary tape from that box. It's a very compact packing from Aaron server provider. See this one, well packed, compact packing. Now it's a next step to remove its polythene. This is the power adapter, power cable. You can see that power cable. In this box, two things are there. Number one is the power cable, and another is the CPU. Pre-installed, attach all devices to each other. Some servers comes not fully installed. We have to install for that. Now this is pre-installed, and even the Aaron Power comes with operating system pre-installed. See the look. This is the tower type Aaron server. See here our front panel. In front panel, two USBs are there. Power jack 3.5 ARE2000T. Two USB. See its label. Aaron Power Server. System model number. Here also security tag. From backside, power supply unit, then next VGA male, then next 4 USB, LAN port, dual LAN port, and female VGA. Display ports are there also. VGA are there, VGA male, female, both VGA are there. Backside we can connect power cable, then VGA, then display, then USB, then LAN cable. We will show in. See the front panel once again. See back panel, we connected the all cables. VGA cables connected, then LAN cable is connected, audio cable is connected, USB port, mouse connected, and the power supply cable is connected. Once again, see this one. This is first screen. Click on start button. Then server manager, and it will show the server manager, local server, all server details, dashboards, etc. Then click on start button. Click on task manager. It will show you the all tasks currently running by the operating system or server. CPU performance, memory performance, and Ethernet performance. All performance are listed here. User details, services. Start. Settings. In this one, type about PC. About your PC. Select this one. It will show your PC. See here, device name, processor Intel is Xeon, CPU 3.0, 3.0, 16 GB RAM, and all specification. Windows Server 2019 standard server and its OS build. Display, which is the display connected to this one and its pixel. The disk drive, 512 GB disk drive is here. So we can see the all details of your hardware and software from that. The next control panel, in this one programs and features, system is there. Here Intel server is there, 16 GB RAM, 64-bit operating system, computer name, etc. etc. Right? Pre-install Windows Server 2019. See device manager, all the devices are listed here. SD host, I have to configure it. Intel SD host, we have to update its driver, right? Advanced settings, the settings is there. Computer name, you can change the computer name from here. Remote setting, you can set the remote setting from here. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe. We'll back to you with another topic, another video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.